Hello everybody, it's Mardax here, and today we're gonna talk about new RTX series graphic cards. Even if you are not too much of tech guy, but still probably you heard maybe from school or work or from friends that new graphic cards from Nvidia are coming to PC market. Past few months there was rumor about upcoming 2000 series of RTX cards in this year. A few days ago, reports show up claiming about Nvidia stopped producing any more RTX 2000 series cards, and it's directly about RTX 2017, 2017 Super, 2080 Super and 2080 Ti. We are getting closer and closer to new GPUs on market, and it's reasonable, but still I see here something a little bit strange. Nvidia doesn't comment anything about this report and speculations, but also in the list of discontinued cards, for now there is no RTX 2060 or 60 Super. And that's not end of interesting rumors, especially if you wanna buy one of Nvidia cards from RTX family right now. And of course, because new generations of console are coming, and also they will be more like computers packed in console case, PC gaming needs better graphic cards. Also with improved RTX technology, because even if I had enough money, I didn't buy RTX 2000 series. Because ray tracing technology is something new in gaming and it's need to be improved. Even still, a lot of games don't have RTX technology inside. For example, Death Stranding PC port won't gonna have RTX technology. And okay, Death Stranding is pretty nice looking without it, so there is no need to have such technology. Also in that game, a lot of time you are traveling in planes, so where will be place to shine for RTX? But developer claims that they don't have enough time before release to implement it. That shows that this technology is pretty demanding to implement. Maybe with new generation of cards, Nvidia gonna comes with better tools to improve that time-consuming implementation. Because that technology was to revolutionize gaming industry, but we know how it is in reality. Nvidia launching RTX series was hoping that developers will just jump in to the new technology, what will force consumer to buy new cards, and also CEO was commenting that buying cards without ray tracing is insane and stupid, but later they created 1660. Because from Steam stats, GTX cards have big share on market and they are cheaper. Basically 1660, it's 2060 without RTX tech. Okay, but getting back to the cards. RTX 2060 and its Super version both are selling kinda good in overall, and in RTX family these cards sell best of all. So yeah, here we can talk that it's because Nvidia, one of manufacturers that creates higher in hierarchy cards to start producing and preparing for new series. Something like this happens always when Nvidia announces new cards. First starts from best one and then later offers weaker one. There was 2080 and then 2017 and then rest. So we can expect the same situation here. But if we combine that with other report, that there is also something else. Of course, all reports come from ITCOM, which is Chinese.
China. I've been saying China. 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 China.
Publication site, but Nvidia doesn't want it to comment on this report, so it's not approving it. But other reports say that Nvidia asks sellers to raise up price for RTX series because there is probably coming another jump in crypto. And Nvidia doesn't want to have the same situation from a few years ago, where there was empty magazines, both AMD and Nvidia doesn't have enough work power to restock shops, and if any seller had cards, it had even 300% of their base price. And normal consumers wasn't able to buy GPUs because everyone doing crypto mining, both them for mining. In addition to that, AMD and Nvidia released special versions of cards without ports to make them cheaper and force miners to buy them instead of normal cards, but actions were taken too late and it doesn't help too much. There was also second downfall of it, because later when crypto bull run stopped and mining wasn't that profitable in second-hand markets, there was plenty of cards after mining. Some people take risk and bought few months old cards for cheaper price instead of buying new ones. So if you wanna buy RTX cards, make some research and consider maybe taking your chance now. Also, you have to think of it in another case. If this price rise, it's only for new crypto run, or Nvidia doesn't want people to not buy new cards because they can cost even much more than 2000 series. And with that trick, price gap between both old and new GPUs will be smaller, and to make new GPUs more attractive to buy. We know what happened around the world, so big brands try to get what they lost back. So what do you think about the situation? If you have opinions, write in the comments, and maybe leave a like or subscribe. Thank you for your time and see you later.